Hey teacher, today I'm going to talk to you about the pronunciation workshop 15 sentence reading in IPA. 1. I like pizza. 2. She is happy. 3. There is a cat on the bed. 4. We are studying English. 5. His name is John. 6. I can speak 2 languages. 7. The winter is cold. 8. I want to go to the beach. 9. Playing football is fun. 10. She has a new car. 11. I always drink coffee. 12. This is my home. 13. I have to brush my teeth. 14. Mother is cooking dinner. And finally, the sun is shining today. And that's it. Thank you, teacher. See you next activity. Take care.